What is web scraping? Let's find out. Some websites can contain a very large amount of invaluable data, stock prices, product details, sports stats, and much more. If you wanted to access that information, you either have to use whatever format this website uses or copy and paste the information manually into a new document. But this can be pretty tedious when you want to extract a lot of information from a website. Here's where web scraping can help. So web scraping simply refers to the extraction of information from a particular website. This information is collected and then exported into a format that can be easily used. For example, you can use web scraping to export a list of products and their prices from Amazon into a different Excel sheet. While web scraping can be done manually, in most cases, software that can be run on your computer are preferred for scraping, as they are less expensive and work at a faster rate. But in most cases, web scraping is not a simple task. Nowadays, websites come in many shapes and forms. And as a result, web scrapers can vary in functionality and features. Isn't it interesting? Comment down your views. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning.